Big post-earnings drops for Micron Technology and Levi Strauss, with key inflation data expected at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Futures are trading modestly lower as semiconductor stocks continue to fluctuate, with Micron leading the group to the downside following its earnings report. Micron Technology Inc. trading sharply lower pre-market following its earnings report. The company reported third-quarter revenue of $6.81 billion and adjusted earnings of 62 cents per share, surpassing analyst estimates of $6.334 billion and 49 cents respectively. Micron guided fourth-quarter revenue of $7.6 billion, plus or minus $200 million, compared to the analyst estimate of $7.6 billion, and adjusted earnings between $1 and $1.16 per share, mostly in line with the estimate of $1.05. The company's board declared a quarterly dividend of 11.5 cents per share. Walgreens Boots Alliance Inc., gapping down after lowering its fiscal year 2024, adjusted earnings per share guidance from $3.20 to $3.25 to $2.80 to $2.95, well below the consensus estimate of $3.22. The company cited concerns around consumer spending and the pharmacy space as reasons for the lowered guidance. For the third quarter of 2024, Walgreens Boots Alliance reported sales of $36.351 billion, above the expected $36.003 billion, and earnings of 63 cents per share compared to the 71 cents expected. Trump Media and Technology Group, ticker symbol DJT, is up 3.18%, trading higher pre-market after jumping 8% during Wednesday's session, continuing their rebound after a major sell-off. The increase comes as anticipation builds for the first 2024 presidential debate between President Joe Biden and former President Donald Trump, scheduled for Thursday on CNN. Chinese ADRs are down 0.87%, trading lower as a group after CNBC reported that Amazon.com is launching a new website section for affordable fashion and lifestyle items, allowing Chinese sellers to ship directly to U.S. consumers. This move aims to counter competition from platforms like PDD Holdings Inc.'s Temu and Shine, with Amazon reportedly set to offer a range of unbranded items priced under $20. Levi Strauss & Co., ticker symbol Levi, is down 15.49%, trading sharply lower after guiding earnings per share for fiscal year 2024 between $1.17 and $1.27, compared to the estimate of $1.27. The company guided fiscal year 2024 revenue growth between 1% and 3%. For the second quarter, Levi Strauss reported earnings of 16 cents per share, surpassing the analyst estimate of 11 cents, while quarterly sales of $1.44 billion slightly missed the estimate of $1.45 billion. The company saw significant growth in its direct-to-consumer and e-commerce revenues. Carnival Corp., CCL, is up 0.54%. Trading higher pre-market with volume after receiving a price target increase from Macquarie. The analyst raised its target price for Carnival to $25 from $24, citing continued demand strength following the company's better-than-expected second-quarter revenue results. International Paper Co., IP, is down 11.67%, gapping down after Bloomberg reported that Suzano SA has decided to abandon its acquisition pursuit of the company. The decision came after International Paper rejected Suzano's advances, opting instead to focus on its own merger plans with another competitor. BlackBerry, BB, is up 7.69%, trading higher pre-market following its earnings report, which exceeded expectations for both sales and earnings per share. The company also noted that it is on track for non-GAAP profitability and cash flow generation by Q4. BlackBerry saw year-over-year IoT revenue growth of 18% and expects second-quarter revenue between $136 million and $144 million, projecting a full-year revenue of $586 million to $616 million and an adjusted earnings loss of 3 to 7 cents per share. Cassie Pharmaceuticals Inc., Cassie, is up 39.45%, trading higher pre-market after announcing a $15 million private placement financing by Venrock Healthcare Capital Partners, Foresight Capital, Panacea Venture, and Dr. Wei-Wu He. The company also announced plans to submit a CID 103 IND application and has received a non-binding proposal to acquire its China business for $40 million.